Good morning to all. This is for class 8th GK. Class 8. Today we are going to start our chapter number 44. The world's new wonders. The selection of the 7 new wonders of the world is the modern attempt to create an alternative to the 7 ancient wonders of the world. A private non-profit new open world corporation, that is NOWC, organized the worldwide popularity poll. The name of the winner were announced on July 7, 2007 in Lisbon, Portugal. So apart 7 ancient wonder of the world, we are having 7 new wonders of the world which were organized by NOWC. And the winner name was announced on July 7, 2007. So now the question comes, this is a great monument of the Roman architecture. It could accommodate around 50,000 spectators. So the answer is Colosseum. First answer is Colosseum. Now second, this monument of Inca architecture and civilization is situated on the mountain ridge in Peru. The ruined city was organized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. The answer is Machu Picchu. Second answer is Machu Picchu. Now third one, this monument is situated in the southwest Jordan. It is renowned for its many stone structure carved on rock. Third answer is Petra. Answer number third is Petra. Now fourth one, this monument of eternal beauty was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the loving memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It was made of white marble. It is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. So fourth answer is Taj Mahal. Answer number 4 is Taj Mahal. Now fifth one, this is the longest human-made structure. Its length is over 6400 km. It was built to serve as the barrier against raids by the nomadic people from the north. So fifth answer is Great Wall of China. Answer number fifth is Great Wall of China. Now sixth one, this large statue of Jesus Christ is situated in Brazil. It overlooks the city of Rio de Janeiro. The height of the statue is 39.6 meters. The weight 700 tons. It is made of granite. So the answer for 6 is Christ the Redeemer. Sixth answer is Christ the Redeemer. Now seventh one, this large pyramid serves as a temple to god Kukulkan in Mexico. It has a staircase on each of the 4 sides leading up to the temple of Kukulkan. Its height is 30 meters. The answer is Chichen Itza. Seventh answer is Chichen Itza. Now coming on to chapter number 45, exploring new lands. So first question is, he was the first European explorer to cross the Pacific Ocean and sail around the world. The answer is Ferdinand Magellan. First answer is Ferdinand Magellan. Second, he was born in Venice, the discoverer of the land and sea route to China in 1271. He stayed in China for 20 years. The second answer is Marco Polo. Second answer is Marco Polo. Now third one, he was born in Tangier, North Africa in 1304. He spent 28 years traveling through Asia and Europe. His travels covers 1,20,700 km. He died in 1368. Third answer is Ibn Battuta. Answer number third is Ibn Battuta. Now fourth one, he was the first to discover America. He also discovered Cuba and Haiti. Fourth answer is Christopher Columbus. Answer number 4 is Christopher Columbus. Now fifth, he was a Portuguese navigator. He discovered the sea route to reach India in 1498. He reached Calicut and made the King Zamorin there. So fifth answer is Vasco da Gama. Fifth answer is Vasco da Gama. Now sixth, he explored a large part of the Pacific Ocean, including Eastern Australia, which was named by him as New South Wales. He also discovered Hawaii Island, where he was murdered. So sixth one is Captain James Cook. Answer number 6 is Captain James Cook. Now seventh one, he was the first person to reach the North Pole. The answer is Robert Edwin Peary. Seventh answer is Robert Edwin Peary. Now eighth one, he was the discoverer of the Gulf of Mexico and South America. Eighth answer is Vespucci Amerigo. Now ninth one, he was the first person who reached the South Pole. So ninth answer is Roald Amundsen. Ninth answer Roald Amundsen. Now 10. He discovered Lake Victoria, the source of Blue Nile River. 10th answer is Sir Henry Morton Stanley. 10th answer is Sir Henry Morton Stanley. So for today till here it is enough. Next chapter answer I will provide you in next video.